Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Yeshima and I create fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. And as you've seen in the title, a lot has changed since my last vlog. We are actually moving to another state. If you watch my I quit my job video, you would have already known that, but we are actually getting ready to move. Last week we did majority of the packing. Actually, we started, I believe, Tuesday night. We did our own little packing, and then Wednesday the movers came and moved everything, like everything. We even had to go out and like repurchase things in the house because we needed stuff. All right, so like I was saying, I think my memory card was full there. So we have a few more days in the apartment, and so we have to do like cleaning the rug and patching up little areas and doing a little bit of repainting on those areas. So we did majority of that. So we just have to like clean some of the appliances and just basically clean up around the house before we leave. And I kind of like that because I don't want to feel like overwhelmed with, you know, all the things that we have to get done before we leave. So we roughly have a few more days here. So before we actually leave, I wanted to record some content so that I can have stuff to like edit in the meantime, because we don't even have an apartment, guys. So when we get there, we're gonna go like apartment hunting. I mean, we did like virtual tours from here, but it's not the same. Like, I want to be able to see the area, the surroundings, you know, that type of stuff. And being that both of us are here, we decided just to wait until we get there to do all of that. So we are gonna do our apartment hunting in person once we get to Virginia. And yeah, in the meantime, like I said, I am trying to record some content for my YouTube channel, some that you'll see probably before this vlog. But yeah, I'm trying to do my best to be proactive. So that's what we're doing right now. And I'll just show you guys a few clips in between of me like recording the content for the upcoming weeks. So I want to do this video that I'm about to do. That's why I have the makeup on. Yeah, so I'll just show you just a little bit behind the scenes of me recording that video. And I'll be doing 2 others. I'm trying to do at least 2 today, and then maybe 1 on another day. Or if I can get all 3 done today, then that would be perfect. Then all I would have to worry about is packing, cleaning, and doing all the other little things around the house. And yeah, before I do that though, I'm gonna go get something to eat because I don't want my tummy to be growling while I'm recording, because that's not cute. All right guys, so I have gotten something to eat, actually, well, to drink. I didn't want to waste any time, so I just grabbed me a Slim Fast. Actually, all I had today was a smoothie, and this is what I'm drinking now, just to hold me over until after I finish recording these videos. And then I think I'm going to make me some veggie tacos. We had fish tacos last night, so we have some more, what do you call it, tortilla wraps. So I'm gonna get me some veggie meat all cooked up and everything, and we will have that for dinner. But yeah, let me show you what I'm working with my whatchamacallit. So this is my recording setup. Your girl is a little bit resourceful. I don't have much, so I have like this chair that I cover with like a little throw. Those are my notes for my recording, and my light, my camera, and this little eating table that I will use as my desk. And as you can see, we do not have that much in the house. Just some chairs. Oh, and these are the potential 2 tops that I'll be changing into after I finish recording this video. I'm hoping that is not too long. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop rambling, get to work. so this is the finished product of our lunch today. I did sort of a burrito bowl. So I used a tortilla wrap. I added the veggie meat inside, black beans, some corn, sour cream, shredded cheese, and sour cream, and you know, a little bit of garnish to make it look good. But that's all the condiments. And I also baked some fries for the people just to munch on. And yeah, that is lunch. Yeah guys, so that is today's lunch. I'm about to dig in because I am starving. It's almost like a chili, but not really. Really good though, very healthy. All right, so after yesterday's video, the plan was to record 3 videos, but that didn't happen. I only ended up recording 1, and I had to record that twice that day. We still have a bunch of things to get done with respect to the apartment, like doing some little touches with the paint, and hubby has to get a truck so that he could load up his car and all the rest of the stuff that we need to pack up and box up and put in that. So that is what we have left, and we leave in a few days, and I'm so excited to finally be out of here. And excuse my appearance, I am not wearing any makeup. Today is the last day here upstate. We are actually moving tomorrow. Yeah, today we are actually at the U-Haul place because we have a lot of things left back, more than what our cars could hold. So we thought it would be best to rent a U-Haul with a transport carrier. So we are here at the dealer. Hubby just went to get that done. After he finishes the paperwork, he's going to drive in the U-Haul back home, and I'm going to drive the car back up. It's like 30 minutes away from where we currently live, so it's a ways of a drive. But guys, I am so excited. The last time you guys saw our vlog, like so much has happened. I'm just really happy that I am finally able to move out of this cold area. I'm very excited to have 4 seasons, like, you know, all the good things. So yeah, it's a very cold day today. I think it's like in the 40s, 50s, I'm not sure, but I am covered up, as you guys see. I'm just waiting for him to come out, and then we're gonna go and look at the U-Haul. I mean, we saw it coming in, so I'm pretty sure that's the one that we're gonna get. But yeah, so once we get the U-Haul, we are gonna go back home, load up the truck. So he's military, so what has to happen, they pay for your transport or the driver. My understanding, that's got dark there. So my understanding is that they have to like weigh the truck. So what he's going to do, he's going to drive up on base. They're going to weigh the truck empty, and then he's going to bring it back. We're going to load it up, load his car on it, and then they're going to weigh that again. So I'm not sure since we have 2 cars if they need to weigh both, but we'll see how that goes. But yeah, so once we get all that done, then we have to finish vacuuming. He did the downstairs yesterday, the wet part. I don't know, like shampoo the carpet or something. So he did that, and today he's gonna do the upstairs, and I'm gonna do the downstairs with the regular dry vacuuming. So now that the carpet is dry downstairs, we'll just do that. That's the plan for what we have for today, at least for me. I was packing up some of my stuff last night, and I broke my nail, and it's a really pretty color too. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna drive all the way out to where I usually go. I might just do like a random nail shop just to do the repair. I'm considering changing the color, but I don't know. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, I've been talking for nearly 5 minutes now, guys, so I'll see you guys a little later. morning, guys. Well, today is moving day and we are about to hit the road. It's very early. It's about what, 7:30 Saturday morning, and it's really cold right now. It's probably like in the 30s or 40s, but we're all packed up. We have a friend here who's making a cameo in my video. That's Lily, my only living plant. And I want her to make it to Virginia alive as well. We have a long drive. It's just about 7 hours. So yeah, we are about to head out. Say hi, Jelani.
Hi.
Yes, he doesn't like to be on the camera, but yeah, guys, Leon is right in front of us. So I told you that yesterday that we are driving separate cars. He's driving a U-Haul and towing his car behind. I'm gonna show you. So that's him in the truck. That's his car in the back. And we are about to head out. So we'll see you guys in Virginia. I probably should have said that with me facing you guys. See you guys in Virginia. Good morning, guys. We are live from Virginia. We made it to Northern Virginia. It was a very long drive. What was supposed to take like 6.5 hours took us about almost 9 hours. Yeah, they had like accidents. They had like, it was just crazy. But I made it. God is good. I was petrified of driving into Virginia, and I have my moments where like my heart started beating quite fast because cars are like overtaking like crazy. Yeah. And I just had to put on a brave face because my son was right next to me. It was just overwhelming, but I did it. I made it here safely. We made it here safely.
Yeah, man, I got a stress headache though.
He got a headache because he was hungry and he didn't
I couldn't drink.
He couldn't drink.
I couldn't drink any water,
and so he got dehydrated.
Anytime I drink, I have to stop.
Well, I didn't drink a lot either, but every time I stopped for gas, I made sure I used the restroom. So yeah, so we're about to drive off now. We have the U-Haul. Sorry, I have to stop for prayer. So okay, so we are about to take the U-Haul back to where we have to drop it off, and we have to put some things in storage until we find an apartment. That will be in a separate video, so be on the lookout for that. We're gonna go apartment hunting, and yeah, you'll see that then. But guys, I'm in a truck. I've never been in a truck before, so this is kind of a big deal for me. Even though it's not really a big deal. But yeah, see you guys. Alright guys, as you can see, we are unloading the truck, packing the stuff that we have into storage, and I think that's where I'm going to end the vlog. The next time you see us, we will be apartment hunting, and I'll take you guys along on that as well. I'm very tired, out of breath. As you did see, I did help with unloading and whatnot, but hubby did most of the work. He is so good. Look at him go, my man. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, share with your friends, all the good things, because we'd love for you to come back. Yeah, so that is all for today, guys. Thank you guys for staying with us on this journey. Thank you again for watching. Remember to continue to be your beautiful self, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.